alveoli, 300 million alveoli in lungs, covering area of 80 square meters. So therefore a very, very huge adaptation for rapid diffusion and rapid oxygenation and removal of carbon dioxide from the blood. I hope this thing is now absolutely clear. These are the important questions that can be asked, and this is the tracheobronchial tree. Again, I am telling you that this is these, at the end you will see the alveoli, a huge number of alveoli. And then there is an important concept that the NCERT says, that the lungs are invested by a double layered pleural membrane, and the inner of the two layers actually clings to the surface of the lungs. You can see this is what is called as the visceral pleura, and then you will see that the visceral pleura actually reflects, this layer actually reflects upon itself, and it becomes a double layered structure. And this outer layer of this pleural membrane is called as the parietal pleura, and closed between the two layers is a potential space which carries a minimal amount of pleural fluid. Then this intrapleural pressure, so that means the pressure that is present here, the intrapleural pressure is always negative when compared to the pulmonary intrapulmonary pressure. This is very, very important because this keeps the lungs inflated. This is the reason why lungs have a residual volume. You all know that residual volume do not allow the collapse of the lung during exhalation. Lung tissue has both elasticity and as well as compliance. So why does it not collapse during exhalation? So what we are saying is that there is a residual volume, but we are now we are looking at another question: why at all there is a residual volume in the lung? The answer is because the intrapleural pressure is always negative with respect to intrapulmonary pressure. If by some problem, say for example, some fluid gets accumulated here, the intrapleural pressure becomes positive, then the lung can actually collapse. And similarly, air can enter. The condition is actually called as pneumothorax, that will actually lead to the collapse of the lung. And when you auscultate the chest on the affected side, you will not be able to hear